In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Power BI Desktop, an essential tool that helps you create interactive data visualizations and business intelligence reports. By the end of this session, you'll have Power BI Desktop up and running, ready to start transforming your data into insightful visuals. Let's dive in. First, let's get our journey started by opening your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as it reliably connects you to the internet. Once you're online, you'll need to navigate to the official Power BI download page. To do this, simply type the following address into your browser's address bar: powerbi.microsoft.com/desktop. This will lead you straight to the starting point where you'll find everything you need to download Power BI Desktop, courtesy of Microsoft's official website. Upon landing on the Power BI Desktop page, you'll notice an option to download it for free. It's usually quite prominent, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Go ahead and click that download button. It's worthwhile knowing that downloading this software is completely free, which is great news if you're just getting started and looking to explore its potential without any financial commitment. Clicking the download option will redirect you seamlessly to the Microsoft Store. Now, in case you're unfamiliar with the Microsoft Store, it's an online platform where you can access a plethora of applications and software, both free and paid. Since we're focusing specifically on downloading Power BI Desktop, you should find yourself on the apps page right away. Here, you'll see the Power BI Desktop app prominently displayed, along with detailed information about the software's features and benefits. Take a moment to glance through these if you're interested, but for now, let's concentrate on the task at hand: getting the software installed. On the apps page, the store provides you with an option to download or install the software directly onto your computer. If you haven't used the Microsoft Store before, all you need is a Microsoft account to proceed, and once you've signed in, it's straightforward. If the download doesn't automatically start, you might see a button labeled something like Get or Install. Click on that button, and the download process should commence. Given the size of the software, depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments, so sit tight as everything gets downloaded properly. Once the download is complete, Power BI Desktop will then be installed on your computer. You can proceed to open the application and explore all the powerful data visualization tools it has to offer. Congratulations, you now have Power BI Desktop installed, and you're all set to start harnessing your data in more meaningful ways. Play around with the interface, explore the various tools available to you, and begin creating stunning data dashboards and reports. That wraps up this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and updates. Thank you for watching, and happy data digging!